is that your store?
Huh?
Is that your store?
Yeah, that's first store.
Oh man, I don't have slippers.
But he's not using it right now.
What the heck is that? Oh, that's Elvis.
Ako yung aso dito ba? Dami ng aso.
Woo! Woo! That's Copper. Chopper.
Chopper.
Copper.
Chopper.
Oh no, that's Cooper or something.
No, chopper.
So where's my room?
Yung ano nga to?
It's this button right here.
Tawagin mo siya, ano, i-set up niyo yung aircon mo.
Does that turn on, Don? Oh, you sent them this?
Tulungan mo i-set up yung ano nga, yung aircon na to, tsaka yun. Yung isa sa